To me. There you go.
Chow down. See, it says lots of words.
Now I know why Hannah says so many words. Oh, you figured it out, didn't you?
Balloons. Oh, he likes it, look.
Yeah.
It's not the like.
Hannah, do you like your cake? Did you say go Isaac? Oh.
2 for Isaac?
Isn't it funny how he's just eating the icing?
Isaac likes it.
There you go, buddy.
He has a piece.
Isn't it nice that you've got a little cousin to celebrate your birthday with?
Let's get yellow icing on your shirt. That's okay. He doesn't mind.
I'm sure it washes out.
Have a bite, Hannah.
Lots of fun.
You guys are still full from dinner, aren't you?
You're just keeping the icing, Hannah. You can have the rest. There, break it up for
Have
me.
a bite of it, Hannah.
Look at Isaac go. Isaac likes it.
He's learning how to lick his fingers.
Yeah, that's one way to teach
What's
him how
that?
to lick the
It's cute when she says Isaac.
Yeah. Hannah, can you say Isaac? She doesn't want to be dirty. She's wiping her fingers off.
Lick them off.
Hannah, can you say Isaac? Isaac. Happy birthday.